Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. Imagine one day you wake up and suddenly you cannot speak. Not because you don't know what to say, but because your brain cannot send the right signal to your speech muscles. Speech is something we use every single day without even thinking about it. However, speaking is actually a very complex process that involves several parts of the brain working together. When certain brain functions are disrupted, a person may experience communication difficulties such as mutism. Today, I will explain the relationship between brain function and also speech, and how disruptions in certain brain regions can affect a person's ability to communicate. First, speech and language are controlled by several regions in the brain. Two important areas are Broca's area and the amygdala. Broca's area is located in the frontal lobe and plays an important role in speech production. This area helps us form sentences and coordinate the muscles needed for speaking. When Broca's area is not functioning properly, individuals may understand language but struggle produce speech. Another important brain region is the amygdala. The amygdala controls emotional response such as fear and anxiety. In some cases, when the amygdala becomes overactive in social situations, it can trigger intense anxiety that prevents a person from speaking. This is closely related to a condition well known as selective mutism. Individuals with selective mutism usually have the ability to speak and understand language normally, but they become unable to speak in certain social situations, such as school, when interacting with unfamiliar people. This happens because the brain anxiety response interferes with the normal speech process. Even though the person knows what they want to say, their brain temporarily blocks speech due to fear or stress. There are also different types of mutism. For instance, selective mutism is usually related to anxiety and emotional response of the brain. On the other hand, agnostic mutism is often caused by brain damage, which affects the brain ability to initiate speech. In conclusion, speech and communication are closely connected to brain functions. Brain regions such as Broca's area help produce speech, while the amygdala controls emotions, response that can influence communication. When these brain systems do not function properly together, a person's ability to speak may be affected. So by understanding this relationship, help us better understand conditions like mutism and highlight how complex the human brain and communication system truly are. Thank you for watching. See you for the next time. Salam alaikum.